In this video, let me show you how to fix YouTube Studio not working. Now in these situations, the first thing that you can immediately do is, if you're using the YouTube Studios application on your phone, is you can try to clear out the app cache. So just tap and hold the app of YouTube Studios, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to head over to your iPhone storage and then offload the application. Once you complete this step, make sure you remove the YouTube app from the recent app list and try to see if now the issue is solved. If the issue still persists, what you can also try out is try to switch your network connection. So if you're currently using your Wi-Fi network, you can switch to your mobile data and vice versa. If you're currently on a desktop and using the YouTube Studio on the web version, make sure that you disable any sort of ad blockers and extensions which may be causing this issue. Also, make sure you clear out the website cookies as well. So by following these few steps, you should be able to fix the YouTube Studio's not loading error. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.